What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to unbox and figure out what's inside this 1963 sanitization kit. This kit was made for survival shelters for Cold War. So this thing over 50 years old. Let's see what's inside and how this designed. Okay, you have here this big lid and heavy duty cardboard. Okay, there's two boxes marking C on it. We'll open it in a second. What's inside here? Another box, completely sealed as you can see. Plastic bags, 1963 survival supply. There is information kit. Whoa, look at that. Vintage toilet. Looks like this one has been moist a little bit. Let's unroll it. Big old Scott tissue, 1000 sheets. You know what? It may have been moist a little bit, or it have gotten some kind of discoloration. It's still good to go. Boom. And I cannot believe it, they designed it in 1960s. It was designed easy tear. When I lived in Russia 13 years ago, we didn't have this kind of toilet paper, that's for sure. But yeah, super cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so 10 rolls. On the bottom of it, there is metal, so I guess it doesn't get moist and stuff. Very nice. And then what you would do, obviously first of all, you would take off this piece of plastic. Looks like there's only one plastic. Nope. Yeah, but this is double bagged instead, in case it gets ripped open. So then you put it inside here. Stretch it out a little bit, boom. Then you got yourself a toilet lid. Got bent over inside of the box, but makes sense, right? Maybe you can put it on some heavy piece and it will sit really well. So you have here a really nice toilet. And obviously toilet paper, but what's inside of these boxes? I have no idea. Let's open it up. Got my little knife over here. I love these tiny knives. Very useful. Okay, here goes nothing. Whoa, what is this? Packaged really well. So you got Johnson & Johnson pods. What else we got here? And we got maternity pods. I guess 2 boxes of them. Let's open it up, see what's in here. Okay, this box is a little bit more exciting. Plastic gloves, very nice. We'll find out what's in here. Looks like you got here cups, those plastic ones with lids for the coffee. Vintage can opener, nice, mint condition, that's for sure. I like it. What is that? Waterless hand cleaner. Can you believe this? Completely sealed still. So maybe just like alcohol or something. And what is this? Thompson A2 deodorant, some kind of powder deodorant. I don't even want to open it. Yeah, it's definitely powder. It's probably going to go everywhere. I don't know if it's supposed to be powder or it just got old. Let's open this up. Okay, there is some kind of tube. This is water distilling siphon spout. Very cool. So, some kind of plastic tube. Very interesting. and one of these wire pieces to close the bag. Super cool. Honestly, my favorite is this vintage can opener. Okay, you know what? Might as well open this. Let's find out what's inside. Very simple. Just turn the key in and find this metal piece. Comes up like that. Put it in and twist it. I wonder what it's like waterless hand cleaner. What it's actually going to be. Is this like that alcohol stuff? Oh wow, look at that. How's that hand cleaner? Check this out. 1963 waterless hand cleaner. I don't know if it's still good. Is that supposed to look like that? I think so. Looks like soap. But I don't want to use it. I don't know what kind of chemicals they put back in the day. So yeah, I'm gonna close it real quick. Did not expect to see soap like that, but I love the jar. It's self-closing. What a genius design, that's for sure. Anyways guys, this is what you would get in one of those survival sanitation kits in 1963. Piece of history, don't you think? Well guys, that's pretty much it. I just opened time capsule. Hopefully I can find more interesting, unique, historic items like that and show it to everybody. So if you get one of these, you don't have to also open it. You can just find a YouTube video and figure it out what's inside of those things, and you can just keep it as a collector's item. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Let's see how they react when I let them in the pool. Come on, go in, go in, go in! Gus, first time. Yeah, Hugo is the first one want to swim. Gus used to be a little puppy when he jumped in first. Come on, Gus, go! Gus, do you even know how to swim? Come on, climb up. Come on, come on. Can you climb? Come on. Good boy. Yeah, Hugo is the smartest. Gus. Hugo is like, you can't touch me. Gus, come here. Come on, step on it. Come on, Gus. Yeah, he's so big, it's drowning. I don't know why, but they love this mat. I think he remembers when he was a little puppy. He's so big now. Look, what are you doing? Get in. Guys, you're so clumsy. What are you doing? They're so cute. Look, you wanna jump on? Come on, Luke. Whoa, do you see him jump? Luke, come on. Shake, shake, shake. Let's see if he jumps. Whoa, he's such a boss. Gus, come on, jump on this thing. There you go. Cheeto. I love how he's so unstable. Wow, they're such a jumpers. Luke! Luke! Where you going? Luke! Come on, come on, Luke! Yay! Jumper! This is so cute. You're so cute. Luke, you haven't got on a mat yet. Come on, Luke. He goes every time. Woo! Go away from me. Luke! Come on, get on the mat. Come on, Luke. Come on. Come on. He don't want to. Oh, wow, you almost made it. Look at him. I can't take this. That was so funny. Gus, what are you doing? You want to see what's... Oh my gosh, look at that fur in the pool. You're so clumsy. He Stop! What are you doing, Gus? What are you doing? You're just gonna sit in the water.